हेलो बच्चों, आज इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे 50 सिंपल सेंटेंसेस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज माय हाउस। द स्काई इज ब्लू। शी इज माय फ्रेंड। आई एम हैप्पी। आई लाइक मिल्क। द सन इज हॉट। I have a toy. This is my book. He can run. We play games. The cat is cute. The dog is big. I see a bird. The flower is red. My school is nice. I am reading. This is my ball. I eat an apple. The tree is tall. I wash my hands. He is sleeping. I like drawing. The moon is bright. I drink milk daily. My back is happy. The car is fast. We sing songs. I help my mother. The boy is kind. I have a pencil. My teacher is nice. The duck is white. We go to school. I like flowers. Cow gives us milk. I clean my room. The bus is big. We are friends. I love nature. I see a rainbow. I am a student. The lion is brave. I enjoy reading. I eat healthy food. My house is clean. I wake up early. I love my pet. I help my friends. I love my country. We go to market.